Welcome to our YouTube video on how to prevent microphone access on Facebook. Today, we will guide you through the steps to ensure your privacy and prevent Facebook from accessing your microphone on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in your app drawer or by swiping down and selecting the gear icon. Next, navigate to Applications and search for the Facebook application. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app settings. Now, you will see different options related to the Facebook app. Tap on Permissions to view and manage the permissions granted to the app. In the Permissions section, you will see various permissions that the Facebook app has access to. Look for the microphone permission and tap on it. Finally, select Don't Allow to prevent the Facebook app from accessing your microphone. This will disable the microphone permission for Facebook, ensuring your privacy and preventing any unwanted audio recordings. By following these simple steps, you can easily prevent Facebook from accessing your microphone on your Android device. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.